Hello everyone, welcome back to our another new video. Today is the seventh day of 30 day speaking challenge. Asif, how are you today?
I am peaceful by the grace of Almighty Allah. What about you?
I'm doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will ask you a very important question. Are you ready?
Obviously, you can see.
As a spoken English learner, those who are interested to learn English, they ask me, brother, from where should we start our spoken journey?
Okay, as a beginner, first of all, you should practice simple words, simple sentences. Secondly, I say you can listen English music and try to understand, and you can watch English videos, short movies, and short clips. And thirdly, I say you can speak with yourself, speak with your friends. Finally, you can see around you, you can describe it.
Okay, that's great. So, guys, try to start your spoken journey. What you have and where are you? It doesn't matter. Try to start your spoken English from today. Today is the right day to start your big dream. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.